Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Custom Carving and Epoxy UK. And it's just going to be a quick video today. And what it's about is that one question I get asked the most on different Facebook groups when I put out a new piece is how to tell how much resin you're going to have to mix to do one of these weirdly shaped molds, because none of the manufacturers usually actually put on the sides or anything how much resin you're going to need. So dead straightforward video aimed at the beginners. If you need to work out how much resin you need to mix, then you're in the right place. Let's get straight to it. And you are going to need a few tools for this, but nothing that most of you shouldn't already have. So most of us have got these measuring cups that we actually use for resin, which are conveniently labeled with measurements along the side. Now, these measurements aren't 100% accurate on some of the cups, but they are reasonably close, and it should help you find out how much resin you need to mix. And then the next thing you're going to need, dead straightforward, is some water. So it's pretty basic, and a pen. So this particular mold I've not actually used yet. So if you can see, I think it's a little French bulldog, but I've not actually tried this one yet, but that's coming up in a future project. But it is dead straightforward. I have poured 8 ounces on the cup of water, so 8 fluid ounces into this cup. Now, all I'm going to do is pour it into the mold until it's full. Now that has taken my water level down to 6. So I know that if I take away 6 from 8, that's 2 ounces. So this French bulldog mold, dead straightforward, it will take 2 ounces of resin. And then all I do with a pen is write on the side 2 ounces. And then that will tell me every time I want to make one of those that I need to mix up 2 ounces of resin. Dead straightforward. You can use a Sharpie or whatever you've got to hand. And again, just to prove it works, I'll do it again with this little lizard. I did a really cool piece actually with the glow in the dark pigment. So if you've not watched that video, go back and watch it. Came out amazing. It was almost mandala dot design. So again, just carefully pouring in the water until the mold is completely full, which I would say is probably about there. And again, strangely, this is also 2 ounces because the water level has gone down from 8 ounces to 6 ounces. So I know if I want to do a lizard, it is gonna take 2 ounces of resin. Now, just to prove that not every piece is gonna be 2 ounces, I'm gonna do this frog mold, which I roughly know because I've used it a few times now. But again, exactly the same process, pouring my water in carefully till it comes up all the way to the top. Pretty much there, and that has taken the water level down to 4 ounces. So I know that if I want to do a frog, that is going to mean I need 4 ounces worth of resin. Dead straightforward. And you can do it with any mold, whether they're these flat ones or whether they're tiny molds, it works the same. So all you need to do is know your fill line on your cup, which I always fill to 8 ounces. Pour your resin in, subtract what you've got left, and that will tell you exactly how much resin you need to pour for each piece. So I hope you've enjoyed that video. Dead straightforward, works with every mold as well. And if you have liked the content or learned anything, please like and subscribe to the channel. It makes a huge difference. And the more we grow, the more the channel's going to grow. More people get to see it, the more experiments and tips and projects we get to do. But apart from that, thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.